mentality. You make them say, you me weak. Because today, you me all photos, you me pull them later, through lo do something, salary me allocation. Where to leaders me stop give him through lo to meant something young. Salary mo allocation, and me come also one free fish. You make them say change mentality play you. You no more line the police station from fishing to 1 liter, but you line the police station from one free something where liter give him. Some MPs, only ask them communities, you must open them account. 5,000 every month is 10,000. Later I come to the community with the one water tank, with the one pack plus men, with them 10 pieces of iron roof, with the 100 plate plus mama, the church. So, or something, emi or come on something. Question, let me say, 1979. All family employment on British. When them know, only line from the first election. Only line from fishing. But tell them say you may give him power, lo panuko party, crown come back. So to tell families, 2020 to 2040s, you may must line from fishing. You know must line from one free fish. Liter, where you find them out, one straight liter, and me must be 1 liter, where me can policy maker, and me create him idea, play you come on fish play you. Instead, play me continue to give him free fish play you. So, I now me one sickness play you me. Now, yeah, you may look at sicknesses. You must make one thing. So, Mr. Napol, one liter, challenge him this for the coming election, the 2020. And we present them to you also one awareness. Most sometimes me and them declare him, Vanuatu indigenous roots. Or someone independent protest block. Me want them protest. So, protest. And me no one new protest. And me same protest. Well, all for la me only protest from 1970. Only sing out, only ask him. You me give him, you me unite. You me crown come back. You me give him lo generation to new British. Only pin make him. After you me got him victory 1980. So, same sing out here. Me want them sing out them. Me stop sing out. Lawyer, name blow, Vanuatu, indigenous roots. You want citizen or you indigenous. Suppose you want farmer. Me want farmer. Me sit down and me sleep no market the last 11 years. You feel him pain play, me too me feel him. So you carry him lo backside. Me too me carry him lo backside. So suppose you me want them. How now you me find him, set him up on your road map, you me must find him all real liters. So, you know that bloody look and fishing. How now you feel him? Because in 1970, I mean, same experience. So, you must sing out back and tell him, say, Crown, must come back, Lohan, indigenous. Blow reflect them chapter 12, the constitution. Number 2, sing out when we want to sing out them, blow, tell them, say, unusual method program, the next 40 years, and we must introduce every school throughout the country. Unusual method program. Blow, keep him not beginning. Only train the real education for system, blow, all apu before. Where I mean no got syllabus plan. And then number 3, you may change him, idea. You may revive him back on foreign policy, where you may stop introducing the country. After you may look in weakness, you may find them, how now your roadmap, you may sabe call them, you may strong and back, you may own them all real business, the country, also all real man Vanuatu. So, me stop wish him. You will all citizen, where you stop listen. You start watching this documentary. Me wonder you make one best choice. You decide, Papa, you sing out Mama, or Piggy, you will sit down discuss. Who am me best leader? Play you choose him. Or someone you present on the field. 2020, Vanuatu roots, Pamba Hemi in Fort Villa Town. And Papa Mimi stop or someone propose inside of Villa Town. When I'm kind leader, you should choose him. So Mimi believe, when we swim the background, Lord, this for the documentary, and me want them exactly when me grow him inside the one project. So me believe, so suppose me got one opportunity, block even after the 2020 election, me believe say, me sabe make one choice, me sabe make one change, sorry. Because me believe when me grow him, me come up with one idea, wrong tal market for change program. Because me believe the thing blow all fella. You me take him crown, come back independent. After crown he come back. So idea now me grow him inside the country. So today, as you start watch him, Mr. Papilo you, choice me blow you. You must pray the God, say God by me help you, blow you make one best choice. Name blow me, Emi Maxon Iptik, also one contester inside of this coming election, inside of Villa Town. Mr. Wishing you for everyone. Blow you make them, you decide, as you Mr. Go from this Villa end blow ya. You may stop ending one 40-year period program. 40 years finish, you may stop ready blow you may enter one new second work out. Blow economical freedom. Political freedom, you may finish him now. So you may play politics, you may raw. The economy, you may not need to blow raw. Yumi unite, plo yumi seremul fisen. Plo hauna yumi sabe karamba country ya, or yumi lusum the last 40 years. Otherwise, as established, thank you very much. May God and He bless them, yumi everyone. Thank you.
Kaming blo mi blo kam stand up lo front do yumi everyone ya mi kam no mo blo talem lo yumi all people all citizenship lo Vanuatu yumi stop na ya lo country blo yumi stop lo all corrupted fashion all corrupted ways we only w yumi only stop come out with them mi stand up lo front blo yumi everyone man every citizenship lo pot fill up lo appeal lo for it blo yumi everyone one em we you have a look lo commentary ya emi all about one em we stop en tete lo country blo yumi lo front line start lo number 3 ko kasi enblo airport suppose you miss have a look naya ola for now likam bloki pa every something lo country blue mi wanem number you miss have make 2020 emi stop around lo kona wanem we maxonipti emi stop talem emi all true tok wanem we mimi wande talem lo yumi na all citizenship lo Vanuatu maxoniptik mi meeting si emi one straight lita suppose we you have a full lemol ka commentary plan we emi stop this plan emi one fama emi silip lo market house lo 11 long years emi sel lo market house lo potvila emi farm tu when emi sta come out with them emi one vision when emi stop this plan emi one real something when you miss have a look 2020 emi stop kamaron also mi stop talam one you miss have talam one you miss have make him you mi mas choose one straight lita 2020 emi stop kamaron only the way you miss stop 7 mo katalo 4 years te mo yumi stop lehem oli no save make many something pe wetem lita we emi stop kama up na wetem mol ting ting ple mol vicent ple mi hope mo mi believe se emi save make change lo country blue mi lo Vanuatu mo ba emi save make one mo emi start talk about ating yema mo thank you too much.